Hey guys, it's your girl Rebecca, backyard day. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is on this wig that I have on right now from Outre in the style Katya. This is how the box looks right here. I have it in the color 1. I know this wig is old, you know, I'm a little late. I'm a little late to the, you know what I'm saying? But it's okay, you know? Better late than never. So, if you'd like to know how I got it to this point, although you probably have seen like 15 other videos of it like this, but it's okay, look at mine too. Make sure to keep watching. First of all, I want to start by apologizing for my voice, but hey, this is how the inside of the wig looks, and this is how it looks straight on. What we're gonna do is actually cut off that little thing on the inside, because I don't see the point of it. All right, so this is after I put my foundation and cut off the lace, and now I'm using some alcohol to go ahead and clean the makeup off my head. And we're gonna use Got To Be 2 layers, and my I said vacuum, girl, what? My blow dryer in between on the cool setting, of course. I'm doing the exact same thing I did to the middle, 2 layers of Got To Be, blow drying in between on the cool setting, of course. I will not show you the other side for the sake of the video. If you've watched any recent video of mine, you know that I'm doing this new technique of mine where I clean off the end of my rat tail using my alcohol, and then I spray some Got To Be on it, and then yeah, we just try to melt the lace as much as possible. So now we're gonna get into these edges. What I'm gonna do is part them out, cut it, and then lay them down using my edge booster and my edge brush, and then set it with my strip. So now I'm going to use my foundation and a blending brush and, you know, try to conceal the lace as much more as possible. And this is how we look. Pretty good, effortless. I love it. Blending like crazy. You talking about. But yeah, this is how we look. It's looking good. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks from the side, flipped over to the middle, and free parted. And then you'll hear my ending thoughts. First things first, I'm gonna get into what I think about this wig. I think this wig is fire. I love it. Top 10. It's definitely one of them. The texture of this wig is Yaki. As you can see, the lace. All right, so the lace for me is bomb. Look at that. Like outside of my baby hairs, like look at how that blend so well, so well. Really digging the lace. I love the lace on this wig. If you don't even want to wear baby hair, you could definitely do that. I have to wear baby hair because of the way my hairline is, you know, my hairline goes down to my forehead. So I'm gonna get into my pros and my cons. I'm gonna start with my cons. Actually, this wig has, for me, I don't think this wig had any cons. I really don't see anything wrong with it. Does this wig shed? Okay, unfortunately, I don't. This wig is shedding. I won't even lie to you guys. It is definitely shedding. It's not shedding. Okay, no, this wig doesn't shed. I guess it was just like taking out the hair from that little because hold on, let me see if it stops on this side as well. Okay. So it doesn't shed, actually. I guess it was just like from cutting the lace, that little inside out, because it's not shedding anymore. This girl, it's regular. I don't know. It's like it's shedding and it's not shedding. I don't know what to tell you at this point. But I don't think it sheds. I don't think it's like where you have to be worried kind of shed. So does it tangle? Does this wig tangle? No. And when I was, working with it, putting it in and stuff, it did not tangle. It's been going sliding right through. And tangle doesn't shed. It's not really, it's giving all that it can give, honestly. So we have no cons for this wig. My pros. All right, I'm on everything about this wig. I like it. I don't even lie. I like all this. I like everything. Honestly, this wig is bomb. I like the lace. I like the fact it's Yaki. I like how flat it is. I like how I can go left, right, whatever kind of parts that I want to do. I love that. This wig. I know I'm late to the bandwagon, but look, if you ain't know before, this wig is bomb, and if you don't have it, get you one. Is this wig big head friendly? Yes, baby. I don't know if y'all saw when I was installing, but I was so happy. SAMSBEAUTY, this wig is $45.99. And yeah, do I believe that it's worth it? Hell yeah. This wig is bomb. I love this wig. Like I said, it's $45 for a wig that you can, it's versatile. It's all of it. It's giving everything. Shout out to SAMSBEAUTY for sending me this wig to review for you guys. Alright, so I think that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Okay? Okay. See you in my next one.